Now we start mudaf, inshallah. We start mudaf. Mudaf is very interesting, brother. And in mudaf, brothers and sisters, your knowledge of, what did I say? I didn't say anything. Your knowledge of mutaharrik pronouns and sakin pronouns will greatly help you. Will greatly help you. Okay, brothers and sisters? It will greatly help you. Okay, mudaf. Al-muda'afu. Al-muda'af means ain kalima and lam kalima are identical. They are same. Okay? In other words, second radical and third radical, they are same, identical. We start with hajja. Break it down, brother and sister. Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Hajjaja. Ja. Hajjaja. So here we have jaja. Here what happens, brother, that the ain kalima, the vowel sign is dropped. If you drop vowel sign, what will be in the ain kalima then? Sukun. When you have no vowel sign, it is a sukun. So the vowel sign is dropped. Then now we can do idgham. Hajja. Hajja. Okay. Hajja is originally hajaja. And then we drop the ain kalima's vowel sign, fatha, so it gets a sukoon, so it becomes hajja. Now this is very nice and beautiful and easy. Okay, brothers. When do you have idgham and when do you break the idgham? Okay, ready? If it is a sakin pronoun, Sister Maynaz, Sister Maimuna, if there is a sakin pronoun, when you are attributing it, when you attribute the base of the verb hajaja to the sakin pronouns, then you give it the gham. And when you have mutaharrik pronouns, you break the idgham, khalas. Now, if you did not know what is mutaharrik pronoun and sakin pronouns, then we are in trouble. Are you with me? Then we are in trouble. See how important these rules are to be understood, brothers and sisters. So we start with sakin pronouns. Where do the sakin pronouns start? Huwa. Huwa starts from huwa until huma. 5 of them. Ready, brother? Hajja, hajja, hajju, hajjat, hajjata. Now you break. Then it will become hajajna. So remain hajaja. Now you give a sukoon on the lam kalima. Are you with me? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What did you do? You gave a sukoon on the lam kalima. What is happening here is that when it is a sakin pronouns, we have idgham. And when it is a mutaharrik pronoun, we break the idgham. Sahih, brothers and sisters? Again I say, hajja, hajja, hajju, hajjat, hajjata, hajajna, hajashta, hajashtuma, hajashtum, hajashti, hajashtuma, hajashtunna, hajashtu, hajajna. Okay? Huwa hajja. Hiya hajjat. Hum hajju. Okay? Hunna hajajna. Ana hajajtu. Anta hajajta. Nahnu hajajna. Anti hajajti. See, simple. Huh? Once you know the mutaharrik pronouns, then it is so very easy, brother. You can take any verb, brother, any verb. Radda, to reply. Radda, radda, raddu, raddat, raddata, radadna. Radna. Okay? So, adda, to count. Adda, adda, addu, addat, addata, adadna. Huh? Adadna. So it's very important. Now we got to be careful. Got to be little careful. You know why? When you say hajja, we know it is hajaja. The root is ha-ja-ja. But we don't know what is on ain kalima. Is it a fatha? Is it a dhamma? Is it a kasra? We don't know. So the dictionary will tell us. Dictionary will tell us. Okay. For example, most of the verbs are bab nasara. They are bab nasara. But here is another verb, shamma. What is the meaning of shamma? Shamma is to smell. Okay, ready? Shamma, shamma, shammu, shammat, shammata, and then? No, brother, I don't know what is inside. Shamma, break it down, it is shamima. Sister Shamim. Are you? Shamima. Okay, the dictionary will tell us. So, in that case, shamma, shamma, shammu, shammat, shammata, shamimna, shamimta. Ji? Bab Samia. No, I said most of the time it is Nasara. Hajja is Bab Nasara. Adda is Bab Nasara. Radda is Bab Nasara. Zanna is Bab Nasara. But Shamma is Bab Samia because it is Shamima. Another verb, brother, Massa, to touch. So what is Massa? It is not Masasa, it is Masisa. So this dictionary will tell us what is the root. So if it is Masisa, I start with Massa, Massa, Massu, Massat, Massata, Masisna. Masisna, okay? Then we go to the original. Now this is not complicated, brother, but we got to know what is the root. Inshallah. Okay. Brothers and sisters, we come to Mudariya. Okay. Hajja, make it into Mudariya. Yah, Ju, Ju. What is it, brother and sister? Yah, Ju, Ju. Are you with me? Fine, brother. Again, Juju. So the same rule. If it is a mutaharrik pronouns, you break the idgham. If it is a sakin pronoun, you have idgham. Okay? So how many sakin pronouns in Mudariya? 12. Only 2 are mutaharrik. Okay. So we give a sukoon here, brother. The ain kalima lost its vowel sign. And then that dhamma came here. So how do you pronounce now? Ya hujju. Radda ya ruddu. Dhanna ya dhunnu. So what was happening? That the ain kalima got a sukoon. And then we have a idgham. Are you with me, brother? What is the idgham now? Are you with me? Yeah? Hujju. It's not difficult, brother. Start now, brother. Yahujju. Yahujju. Yahujjani. Yahujjuna. Tahujju. Tahujjani. Now comes mutaharrik pronoun. You go to the original. Yahjujna. Yahjujna. Are you with me? You go to the original. Yahjujna. You got it, Brother Hassan? See, it's Yahjuju. You put a noon there. So where is the lam kalima? The second jeen. And you will give it a sukun. I'll write it down, brother. Ju. Now I bring the nunu niswa. Now what shall I do? I brought nunu niswa. Sukun. Now pronouns. Yahjujna. Yahjujna. Anta. Tahujju. Same idgham. Because it is sakin pronoun. Tahujju. Then tahujjani. Tahujjuna. And then tahujjina. Tahujjina. Tahujjani. Now antunna. Tahjujna. Jujna. Tahjujna. Ahujju. Nahujju. So, brothers and sisters, if you say hajja, yahujju, 5 in your pocket, yahujju, tahujju, tahujju, ahujju, nahujju. Are you with me, brother? That's it. That's it. You can take any verb and you can conjugate. We are going to practice, inshallah. Brother, now we do the amar. In amar, we have certain things to understand, brother. Okay? And that is this is the original. Remember? Hajaja, tahjuju. And then it became tahujju. Now, Brother Hassan, let's do our chopping. I chop here, and then I give a sukun here. Sahi? I'm making amar. I give lam kalima sukun, and I chopped here. Okay? I don't have to bring anything. Sahi? I can pronounce who. I can at least pronounce who, so I don't need hamzatul wasal. But brothers and sisters, here we have 2 jim. We have to do something so that we eliminate iltikai sakinaini. We got to remove that iltikai sakinaini because otherwise we can't pronounce. So we give here fatah. Sometimes in some books even kasra is given. But the most of the time fatah is given. Now how do you pronounce? Hujja. How do you pronounce? Hujja. Brother, I want you to analyze it, hujja. Now this is a tricky business. But remember, brother, I've told you many times, the more tricky it becomes, the more delicious it becomes, the more enjoyable it becomes. Okay, brother and sisters? Hujja. Listen to me carefully. Fi'lu amrin mabniun ala first we have to say mabniun ala. Brother, it is always sukun. What is it? Fi'l amr is mabni ala sukun. So where is the sukun? Muqaddara. Because your mind can understand that behind this fatah, there is a sukun. Fatah is a temporary business. Originally, it's a sukun. Are you with me? Sister Fatima, there were 2 sukuns. We had to remove that combination of 2 sukuns. We gave a temporary fatha, so that we can now pronounce it as hujja. But originally, it is that I cannot pronounce is hu and then two jims with sukun. Okay, are you with me, brother? So I will say fi'lu amrin mabniun ala as-sukun al-muqaddara. Huh? No, this is very important. And you know you will enjoy it and you will understand it, you will love it. Huh? You will love it. So remember, brothers and sisters, your mind knows, your mind sees there is a sukun behind that thing. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, this is the normal hujjah. But you can still have another form of amr, only in the first form. Huh? Only in the first form you can have amr, brother and sister, from this form. What is this? Tahjuju asal. Make amr from tahjuju. Huh? I have to bring ooh. Oh, judge. Are you with me? It became oh, judge. All these things are in the Quran. Are you with me? All of them in the Quran. And I'm going to write it down for you. Inshallah. Okay, brothers and sisters. Also, yes, you have a question, Sister Mana?
If this form, the hidden form is hujj, if this normal form is hujjah.
Sister, in this, you have permission to use any of this. But again, we will follow the Quran. So, hujjah is amar, and the same thing, hujjuj is also amar. Because it is the same thing. Are you with me? Now, I tell you one more thing. 5 in your pocket. What is the 5 in your pocket, brother? I will write down. Yahujju, tahujju, tahujju, ahujju, and then na hujju. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay. How will you make it majzoom? How will you make it majzoom? What is yahujju, brothers and sisters? Which is this is what it is. Sahi? What is original? Sahi? Original is Yajuju. This is the breakdown of Yahujju. The same thing that we did in Amar, we will do it here. What did we do in Amar? If we wanted to make a Amar, we gave a sukun here. We gave a sukun here. Now we have 2 sukuns. So in order to eliminate that, we gave it a fatha. So it became Yahujja. What is this Yahujja? Majzoom. Just like Hujja, it's Majzoom. This is Yahujja is Majzoom. Okay. Describe it, brother. Fi'lun, mudari'un, majzoomun, bisukuni, muqaddara. Because your mind knows there is a sukun there. This fatha is the temporary. Or, brothers and sisters, or you can do like this. What will you do now? Yahjuj. Yahjuj. It is permissible. Only in 5 in your pocket. We do only when we want to make the fi'l mudariya majzoom. That's all. Are you with me, Brother Hassan? Brother Saeed, when we want to do fi'l mudariya majzoom, we have a permission to do this. So, brothers and sisters, tahujju, make it majzoom, tahujja, or tahjuj. Sahi? Make anta tahujju majzoom, you will say tahujja or tahjuj. Huh? Make ahujju majzoom. How will I make ahujju majzoom? I will say ahujja, or I will say ahjuj. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Same way, nahujju, Sister Nasreen, make it majzoom, you will say nahujja, or you will say nahjuj. Are you with me? Now this you have to keep it in mind, that it is permissible to do both ways when you want to do fi'l mudariya majzoom. Okay? But that's it. There is some that you have to remember. But it is a lot to remember. Now we will practice. Let us go to the verbs. Okay? Exercise number 2. هذه أمثلة للفعل مضاعف. هذه أمثلة للفعل مضاعف. حج أصله حجج. يحج أصله يحجج. You are understanding now, brothers and sisters? After all the explanation, inshallah, it should be clear. Fine, brother. Now, zanna, which is zanana. Okay? Which is zanana. Now, brother, we never did it before. We always say zanna yazunnu. We didn't go beyond that. Now, today we can go beyond that. Ready? Start with Madi. Zanna, zanna, zannu, zannat, zannata, zananna. And then zananta, zanantuma, zanantum, zananti, zanantuma, zanantunna, zanantu, I thought. Zananna, we thought. Yazunnu, yazunnani, yazunnuna, tazunnu, tazunnani, yaznunna. Yaznunna. Are you with me? Yaznunna. No confusion here? Right, let us write down. Yazunnu, which is actually Yaznunu. Are you with me, brother? Now, because it is mutahharrik pronoun, we have to look to this and put nunu niswa there. So I put a nunu niswa here, brother. Okay. Says Rafza, what shall I do now? Give a sukun here. How will you say? Yaznunna. 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 And antunna, taznunna. It's very, very easy, but we got to practice a little bit. Okay, brothers and sisters? Next verb is jarra, to pull. Jarra is to pull. Jarra, jarra, jarru, jarrat, jarrata, jararna. Jararta, jarartuma, okay? Ana jarartu. Nahnu jararna. Anta jararta. Anti jararti. Hum jarru. Hiya jarrat. Fine, brother. Yajurru. Yajurru. Yajurrani. Yajurruna. Tajurru. Tajurrani. Yajrurna. 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 Fine, brother. This is a nice verb. Marra. 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 Marru. Marrat. Marrata. Mararna. It's easy. Yamurru. Yamurru. Yamurrani. Yamurruna. Tamurru. Tamurrani. Yamrurna. Make Amar. Mur. I think I've heard this before. Murmur ke na dekh, murmur ke. Mur. You must forgive me, brother. I like to joke here and there, Murra. Mur means pass. Fine. Okay, brother. Now here is adda, to count. Adda, adda, addu, addat, addata, adadna. Ya'uddu, ya'uddani, ya'udduna, ta'uddu, ta'uddani, ya'adudna. Ya'dudna. Now this, you will get more familiar with it if you will conjugate, inshallah. Fine, brother and sister. Sabba is to insult somebody or to abuse somebody. With sin, it's sabba. With swad, it's sabba. So sabba and sabba, to pour. Okay? Okay, brother? Same thing. Sabba, sabba, sabbu, sabbat, sabbata, sababna. And yasubbu, yasubbani, yasubbuna, tasubbu, tasubbani, yasbubna. Fine, brother and sister. Radda, radda, raddu, raddat, raddata, radadna. Fine. And yaruddu, yaruddani, yarudduna, taruddu, taruddani, yardudna. Yardudna, inshallah. Fine. Very good, brother. Now, sabba. This is to pour. Sabba, sabba, sabbu, sabbat, sabbata, sababna. Sababna. And then, yasubbu, yasubbani, yasubbuna, tasubbu, tasubbani, yasbubna. Yasbubna. Sadda. Yasuddu. Sadda, sadda, saddat, saddata, sadadna. Okay? Yasuddu, yasuddani, yasudduna, tasuddu, tasuddani, yasdudna. Brother, this should be, inshallah, clear. Now, brothers and sisters, shamma, which is actually shamima. So, in other words, brother, you can draw a line across shamma and say bab samya. Or you can even write down shamima and masisa. Shamma. What will be the mudariya? Yashammu. Because it is samiya yasmahu. Yashammu. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Shamma. Shamma. Shammu. Shammat. Shammata. Shamimna. Shamimta. Shamimtuma. Shamimtum, shamimti, shamimtuma, shamimtunna, shamimtu, shamimna. Okay? Yashammu, yashammani, yashammuna, tashammu, tashammani, yash, mamna. Yash, mamna. Yash, mamna. Because it is actually yash, mamu. What is it? Yash, mamu. Remember? It is Bab Samia. Shall I write down? It's inshallah clear. Yash mamna. Fine. And massa, brother. Massa, massa, massu, massat, massata, masisna. Masisna. Okay? And then yamassu, yamassani, yamassuna, tamassu, tamassani, yamsasna. Yamsasna. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? I think that's all there is. Now, make amar from Tashammu. Shamma. But Badr, the Madi starts with Shamma. And Amar is also Shamma. Are you with me? Fine. Let me write it down so that there is no confusion, brother. Here is your Madi based form. And here is your Tashammu. Huh? Are you with me? Ta. Okay. So I chop. What do I do? Chop here and sukoon here. Now I cannot pronounce, so I give a fatah. So what is the result? Shamma. Smell. And Shamma means he smell. Both are same. But the sentence will tell you whether it is Madi or whether it is Amar. The sentence will tell you. Inshallah. So do not get confused. Because you know what will happen? If we do not understand this, and you start conjugating Shamma, you do Madi, you do Mudariya, and when you do Amar, and you say Shamma, you say no, Shamma is Madi. This is not right. It is something else. And you will start pondering. But it is same. No mistake. You might say, I'm making a mistake. No, there is no mistake. Amar is same as Madi. So don't worry, brothers and sisters. Now, we start the lesson, brother. Adastu Tasiu wal Ishuruna. Lesson number 29. Lesson number 29. Okay. By the end of next week, inshallah, we will complete book 2. Because I want to do the derived forms of the verb with you before we go, inshallah. And you will like it, inshallah. We'll do it slowly. Okay, inshallah. Al-Mudarris. Hajashta ya Mas'ud. See, Hajashta. Got the idea? Why it is Hajashta? Sister Madina? Because it is mutaharrik pronoun. We broke the idgham. From Hajja, it became Hajashta. Fine. La ya Ustad. La ya Ustad. Hajja Zumla'i. Brothers and sisters. Hajja Zumla'i. Where is the file? Zumla'u, mashallah. Wa huwa mudaf, and then mudaf ilayhi. Okay, remember Zumla'u, that is your file. Okay. Hajja Zumla'i kulluhum. What is kulluhum? Now this is your taqeed. Every one of them. What is it? Taqeed. Emphasis. So, kulluhum is mudaf ilayhi. Now it can be kulluhum, it can become kullahum, it can become kulli. Depending what the kullu is emphasizing. Is it kullu emphasizing something marfu? Then it will become kulluhum. If kullu is emphasizing something mansub, then it will become kullahum. If kullu is emphasizing something majroor, then it will become kullihim. What is here kulluhum? Why it is kullu? Zumla'u. Because zumla'u is being emphasized, which is marfu, then kullu has to come. Are you with me? Easy, brother. Everything logical. Walakinnani, but I, ma hajashtu. Ma hajashtu. Change ma hajashtu into lam. Lam ahujja. What? Lam ahujja. Remember majzum form. Fine. Maridtu. What is the verb? Marida. To become sick. Maridtu ayam al-hajji. During the days of the Hajj. Fa bakitu. Bakiya bakiya, baku, bakiyat, bakiyata, bakina, and then bakitu. I remained. Bakitu huna. I remained here. Bil Madinatil Munawwara. La tahzan. Don't be sad. La tahzan. Don't be sad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hazina yahzanu. Write down Hazina yahzanu. Bab Samia. Hazina yahzanu. Hazina means to be sad. Hazina yahzanu. Satahujju. Satahujju. Translate, brother. You will make Hajj. Fil amil mukbili. Next year. Inshallah. Tamurru sanatu. Tamurru marra. Yamurru. The year will pass. How will it pass? Bisurah. Quickly. So don't be sad. You will do the Hajj next year. Tamurru sanatu bisurat. Can you, see how beautiful the sentences are and how clever Dr. Abdurrahim is, and how farsighted he is in his planning to teach us this thing with these dialogues. Everything is appropriate. All the verbs are from the same form. Dialogues from the same form. That is, brother and sister, I say, his magic. His knowledge of Arabic language and his expertise in teaching us the Arabic. Alhamdulillah. I always admire these things, brother. Now, Masood is asking the teacher, Ahajajta anta ya ustad? What is it? Ahajajta anta ya ustad? Did you make Hajj, ya ustad? La. Lam ahujja. Okay, describe ahujja, brothers and sisters. Fi'lu, mudariun, majzumun, bi sukunil muqaddara. Your mind knows there is a sukun there. Isn't it wonderful, brother? Alhamdulillah. When I was taught, when I learned and I understood this, I thought this was halwa puri, yeah? Very special kind of halwa puri. Okay, alhamdulillah. Lam ahujja hadha al-ama. Translation, brother. I did not perform Hajj this year. What is hadha? MashaAllah. Excellent. Hadha is zarf. We will learn in the book 3 that it is naiban zarf. Sister Manas, Hajja is a lazim. It does not have mafulun bihi. It does not have mafulun bihi. Zarf. And then what is ama? Badal. All these things, inshallah, will be again studied in detail in book 3. Lakinnani hajajtu qabla hadha khamsa marratin. Fine, brother. What is qabla? Qabla zar. What is hadha? Mudaf ilayhi. Yeah, mashallah. We have to think like that. Okay, fine. No. Hadha is mudaf ilayhi. Sister, Khamsa marratin, this is, I think it is maf'ulun mutlaq. But I will check it and let you know, inshallah. It's maf'ulun mutlaq. So, brothers and sisters, haza is your mudaf ilayhi. Now he says, ana ashammu. What is the meaning of ana ashammu? I'm smelling. I smell. What are you smelling? Rahihatan. Karihatan. A bad smell. Unpleasant. I'm, smelling something very unpleasant. Ama tashammuna rahihatan ya ikhwanu? Are you not smelling something bag, Atullabu. Bala, yes indeed. Nasham muha. Nasham muha. Al-Mudaris. Min aina hiya? Azunnuha min al-hamam. What is the meaning of it? Azunnuha, I think it is from the washroom. Okay. Abdullah. Naam. Hiya min al-hammami. It is from the washroom. Inna al-kumamata. So what is kumamata? Garbage. And kumamata is ismu inna mansub. Inna al-kumamata allati. What will be lati? Naat. MashaAllah. Now Ramaha. See how Rama is written, brother? Because of mafulun bihi, that the small alif became other alif. Brother, Rama, you add ha. How will you write down now? Rama, ha. See how it changed? Why? Because you added damir there. Rama, throw. To throw. He threw.